so we've been learning about measurement. We are measuring things. Last week we learned about length and height. Length is how long something is. That means when we're measuring, we're going from left to right. I don't know if that's the same way as you. Left to right. Length, how long something is. When you're measuring, you're not going from bottom to top, you're going from left to right. I always think of DJ. Length, how long something is. We also learned about height, how tall something is. Height, how tall. What was the hand motion we did? Height. Ready? Do it with me. Height. Watch my hand. Height. It's going up and down, up and down. So how tall something is, height is measuring from bottom to top. Remember when we measure, we always start at the bottom of the object. Never in the middle, never up top. Bottom to top. We also have been using non-standard measurement, meaning I can use the same object. It doesn't have to, it could be anything in your house. So I did skinny markers, I did the other markers. So I can measure because these are all the same length. So when I measure an object. So we use non-standard. It means it doesn't have numbers on it. It's not the same around the whole world. Standard is like a ruler, a tape measure, has those numbers, and it's specific. Anybody in the world can use that measurement and still be the same. All right, guys, so today we're going to be learning about capacity. Everybody say capacity. It's how much an object can hold. You're going to be coming into my kitchen, and we're going to see how much object can hold. This is another type of measurement. We use this measurement mostly for baking, cooking. If they said, oh, you need a gallon of milk, you are measuring in an object. You're also be learning how to see which one holds more liquid, holds more, which container holds more, and which container holds less. Mostly, we use our schema. Hey, that's a big container. If I fill it up, a lot of water will be in there. Or, hey, that's small. Not a lot of water can fit in there. So come along with me into my kitchen, and as we explore measurement in capacity. Capacity is how much an object can hold. So we're learning about capacity. Everybody, let's just say that word, capacity. Capacity. It's how much something holds. So we're doing measurement. Capacity comes within the kitchen, really. You can use a measuring cup. If you ever baked and use some measuring cups to measure, you're using capacity, how much something can hold, which object can hold more, which object can hold less, and which objects can hold the same amount. So I have water right here. Let's just review a couple things. When it's a bigger, wider, bigger object, it can hold lots more. So this right here is filled with water. It's holding a lot of water, and actually right now it has a measuring thing. It says it's holding, that's in liters. It's holding almost half of a gallon. Isn't that crazy? It's holding half of a gallon of water. That's a lot of water. And so right here, this little cup and this. So this pitcher can hold more than this cup. All right? It's this size. Now, when you get a little bit older, sometimes the size can confuse you. It depends on how it looks. But right now, we're just deciding if it's greater, which one can hold more, which one can hold less. So I have these two right here. Let's just look at them. I have this one. It's a little bit bigger. And I have this cup. Okay, I'm going to hold it up. Tucker's making noise. Which one do you think holds more? Now, look at them. They're the same, a little bit. This one's a little skinnier and shorter. Yes, this will hold more and this will hold less. Very good. Now watch as I pour some in here. I'm going to pour the same length as much as I can. this on right. Hold on, guys. I apparently did not put this on right. There we go. Okay. If it spills, it spills. All right, let me pour it. I don't know if you can see that, but I might have to bring you down here. Wow, look, it's blue. That's holding a lot. Now let's see as I pour this one in here. It's blue too. Ooh, look at, they look around the same, but this one's holding more. The reason why it's holding more is because it is bigger, is greater, all right? Let's see if this one, is holding more because this is a bigger vase. Do you see that? It's bigger. This is holding more. Okay, let's see how much this holds. I'll tell you. This is holding 1 cup of water. So that holds 1 cup of water. So I'm going to pour this in here so I can keep this for it. Okay, this is holding 1 cup. So 1 cup of water. That's 1. Let's see how much this holds. I don't know if you can tell. Let's move this over here. I'm pouring it in my sink right now because I don't want it everywhere. Whoa, it's filled up. So, this holds 2 cups. This holds 1. Which one is greater? Very good. This one is greater. This holds more than this cup. All right, let's do this one. Oh, let's compare this one. This cup holds less than this cup. Very cool. All right, so I'm going to show you 2 more cups, and you are going to decide, what do you think these will hold? Here's 1 cup. Here's another cup. What do you decide about these 2 cups? They're the same height. Actually, they're the same glass. So what do you think? Right! It will hold the same amount, but let's put that to a test. Whoa, I filled it to the, ooh, look at cool how it changes color. Okay, I put the same amount. So now I'm going to pour this one in here, and I'm going to tell you how much it holds. Ooh, perfect. 1 full cup. Okay, I'm going to pour it out. Now let's do this one. Perfect. 1 full cup. So these 2 are the same. They hold the same amount capacity. When you are baking, when you are using objects, you are seeing which one holds more. I need to use a lot. If I'm going to make lemonade, I want a lot of lemonade, so I'm going to put it in a bigger container, a pitcher. I'm not going to, if I want lemonade throughout the whole week, make it once. I want a big pitcher. I do not want a glass because it won't fit it. Capacity, how much something can hold. All right, you're going to watch some videos about capacity throughout the week, but this is a cool little activity you can do. You can see which one holds more or which one holds the same. All right, sounds good. All right, see you guys later.
Brother. Hey, Shauna. How was the shape hunting? Great. I saw shapes everywhere. Shapes are all around us, and... Van, why do you have flour on your nose? What? Oh. And chin? And forehead. Oh, better just wipe your whole face. What's going on here? I made cookies to bring to the class tomorrow. Oh, I love these! You used my cookie cutters that have different shapes. I've got enough cookies for everyone in class. And I have the same amount of water, juice, and milk in all these pitchers. Are you sure they all have the same amount of liquid? Sure, I'm sure. They're all at the same level, see? But each of these pitchers is a different shape. So you can't tell whether the amounts they hold are the same or different just by looking at them. Uh-oh. Well, now what am I going to do? I want everyone in class to have enough to drink. Don't worry, Van. I'll show you. To find out how much liquid is in each of those different shaped containers, we'll need to use a special kind of cup. When we put liquid into this cup, we are measuring. That's why this special kind of cup is called a measuring cup. See these lines? These are for different amounts of liquid. But when you fill this measuring cup to this mark, that's exactly 1 cup. I get it. 1 cup is always the same amount every time you measure. You got it. So which of these pitchers has the most liquid inside? And remember what I said about different shapes. I can't tell which one holds the most because all the shapes are different. Right. Now let's use the measuring cup and find out. 1 cup, 2 cups, 3 cups, 4 cups. We measured 4 cups, so this pitcher had 4 cups of juice in it. This pitcher has a cylinder shape. How much milk do you think it holds? I'll measure it. 1 cup. 2 cups. 3 cups. 4 cups. 5 cups. Right. So let's compare the number of cups in front of each pitcher. There are 4 cups in front of the pyramid pitcher and 5 cups in front of the cylinder-shaped pitcher. Which has more liquid? The cylinder! Great job! Now let's see how much water is in the rectangular-shaped pitcher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cups. So which pitcher has the most liquid? The rectangular-shaped pitcher. Wow! Even though the pitchers were filled to the same height, they had different amounts of liquid in them. I guess I'll need some more juice and milk to make sure I have enough for everyone in class. Right. So if you want to make sure there's the same amount in each pitcher, I need to measure. I can do that. I also counted all the cookies. You better count again. I think there's 1 less. 2 less.